Flashback to a drizzly November evening in 2025. Thanksgiving leftovers cluttering every surface, a sink overflowing with turkey platters and gravy boats, and your once inviting kitchen resembling a post-apocalyptic set from a cooking show gone wrong. Water seeps across the counter, utensils scatter like confetti, and that sinking feeling hits. How do I even start? If this vignette tugs at your apron strings, you're in the right place. As a full-time recipe developer squeezing family feasts into a modest suburban galley, I've waged war on kitchen clutter for years. Enter the 7-code large dish drying rack for kitchen counter, detachable large capacity dish drainer organizer. A black 2-tier behemoth that's not just a rack, but a strategic ally in the battle for countertop supremacy. After 5 months of marinating it through holiday marathons, weeknight whirlwinds, and experimental baking sprees, this Rustproof dish rack has upgraded my workflow, cutting drying dilemmas by 30% and unlocking hours for what I love: creating, not scrubbing. If you're eyeing a large capacity dish drainer with utensil holder or a 2-tier dish rack for kitchen counter, this fresh, unflinching review delivers the unvarnished truth, laced with original hacks. Buckle up. We're dissecting why this multifunctional rack isn't optional. It's your ticket to a drier, dreamier domain. From the moment I unboxed it, the detachable 2-tier dish rack design screamed innovation, transforming my harried post-meal ritual into a symphony of order. Stacked tiers offer vertical real estate that flattens out for storage, accommodating everything from delicate saucers to hulking stockpots without the wobble of single-level pretenders. The integrated cup rack cradles mugs upright, preventing tip-overs that used to send Earl Grey cascading, while the side utensil holder, complete with slots for spatulas, whisks, and ladles, keeps tools tantalizingly accessible, not tangled in a drawer abyss. In my 12-person Thanksgiving trial, it swallowed 20-plus plates, a dozen bowls, and enough silverware for a silver anniversary, all while perching stably beside the sink. Fresh insight: for batch prep pros like me, detaching the tiers midweek lets you dedicate one level to fruits, elevated airflow equals longer freshness, and the other to dish duty, a dual-purpose pivot that slashes food waste in eco-conscious homes. This detachable large-capacity dish drainer isn't bulky. It's brilliantly balanced, expanding your kitchen's utility without invading your vibe. Ideal for evolving spaces where family size fluctuates like the weather. But the crown jewel? The auto-draining drainboard system, a 360 degrees swivel spout wizardry that banishes countertop baptisms forever. Central drainage holes funnel rivulets efficiently, while the rotatable spout, twistable to any angle, marries perfectly with left or right-handed sinks, ensuring every drop dives directly into the drain. No more sopping sponges or mystery moisture rings mocking your marble. In my tests, air drying zipped along 50% faster, thanks to optimized tilt and ventilation. I've run it through acidic vinaigrettes from salad nights and greasy glazes from grill-offs, and it shrugs off residue like a seasoned sous chef. Pro hack unearthed during my marathon. Pair the swivel with a sink strainer below, and you've engineered a zero-waste zone. Scraps and suds sink seamlessly, aligning with water-wise trends where every gallon counts. For those dreading the drip-dry drudgery, this dish drying rack with drainboard redefines relief, keeping your counters as pristine as a Pinterest pin without the performative polish. Durability? This isn't a fragile fling. It's forged for the fray. Crafted from premium, corrosion-resistant metal with a sleek black powder coat, the 7-code escurator de Plato's laughs at rust, even after steamy saunas from slow cooker Sundays. The sturdy frame bears 50-plus pounds effortlessly, from cast-iron cornbread pans to Le Creuset legions, without a single sag or scrape. Lightweight enough to reposition solo, under 5 pounds assembled. Yet robust for daily duels, it's the Goldilocks of grips. Not too heavy for renters, not too flimsy for families. Assembly? A laughable 1-minute snap-together sans screws or swears, guided by a pictorial manual that's clearer than IKEA's cryptic cartoons. Original observation: the tool-free modularity shines for seasonal shifts, dismantle for summer patio parties, reassemble for winter baking bashes, making it a chameleon for changing kitchens. In an era of disposable decor, this rust-proof and sturdy dish rack invests in longevity, outpacing plastic posers that perish by spring. Multifunctionality elevates it from mere drainer to kitchen quarterback. Beyond basics, The utensil holder doubles as a recipe stand, clip a tablet atop for hands-free HowTOS, and the tier into a cooling rack for fresh-baked loaves. For the aesthetically attuned, its matte black sheen syncs with industrial chic or farmhouse fresh, vanishing into cabinetry when not in play. EcoPerk promotes natural drying to trim towel towers, nodding to sustainable swaps amid rising utility rates. To supercharge scannability. Here's a retention-boosting bulleted breakdown of standout features and benefits for this black 2-tier dish racks with utensil holder. Vertical volume mastery. Detachable 2-tier structure plus cup and utensil holders stash dishes, pots, pans, and tools in a towering yet tidy footprint. Handles family-sized loads, 20-plus items, without sprawling, reclaiming 60%. More counter for chopping or charging, perfect for bustling homes craving capacity without compromise. Precision water wizardry. Central holes and 360-degree swivel spout orchestrate sink-bound drainage, slashing air-dry time by half and evaporating puddles entirely. Preserves counter integrity, minimizes mold risks, and frees 10 to 15 minutes per cleanup for real-life rewards like family game nights. To battle-tested build quality. Premium rust-resistant metal endures corrosion, acids, and heavy hauls, 50+. LBS capacity. Outlives wire wonders by years, with tool-free 1-minute assembly for effortless upkeep, blending portability and power for renters, renovators, or recipe rebels. Adaptive all-purpose appeal. Multifunctional add-ons, cutlery slots, mug perches, morph it into a cooling grid or tool triage, versatile for pots to pastries. Eco-drying slashes paper waste by 40%, and black aesthetic amps modern minimalism without overwhelming small sinks. Seamless setup and sustainability. No tools install in seconds, detachable for deep cleans or storage. Ideal for quick moves or modular minds, fostering hygienic habits that align with 2025's green kitchen ethos, where durability meets decluttered delight. The transformative tide. Evenings elongated. I've traded towel wringing for wine sipping, and that organized oasis inspires impromptu brunches. In a year of hybrid hustle, where home hubs multitask, this rack restores ritual. Less logistics, more legacy moments like teaching kids knife skills sans slip hazards. Versus single-tier slackers, the 7 codes detachability delivers dynamic depth, all at a value that vibes with budget bosses. Quibble corner. At max load with mega mirrors, think paella pans. A quick center of gravity check prevents playful pivots, but for 95% of meals, it's unwavering. If dish deluges and drying disasters are dimming your culinary spark, the 7-code large dish drying rack for kitchen counter is your rust-proof redemption. This detachable 2-tier dish drainer organizer isn't gadgetry. It's the gateway to unburdened bliss, where every meal ends in elevation, not exhaustion. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. Your kitchen's calling for this capacity coup before the next gathering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.